What's up, you guys? I thought I would give you a little treat on some stocks a lot of you guys like, such as NEO, Workhorse, and some other stocks, but specifically watch me trade for 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I do with options every Monday and put up the exact premium that I collect and the collateral that I need to have to make those trades. I'm going to be going over some charting and put up the live totals on the screen. I know not everyone understands selling puts, but I'll explain more of that in this video. And the course is about 30 days away, and I sent all of you guys an email. If you put your email in the free link in my description below on what I'll be doing for the first 4 weeks of the course. No, you do not have to have the capital that I trade with to make income. I think 5,000 is just fine. I took off a Facebook trade from this video because I wanted to keep this video very feasible for investors, because I know not everyone trades with 6 figures. Either way, the point is options can produce income and help you guys enter into stocks at better prices when you sell puts for entry points. I'll be making more videos on entry, and I know that is a very big topic as well. I'll show you guys some of my thought process on that. Without further ado, let's get into my Monday morning trades and results. What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be doing some live trading. I'm going to be trading some options and selling puts primarily, and creating that income, which I will be teaching in my future course in about a month from now. So I'm going to be starting off with NEO stock. I know a lot of you guys love NEO. I love NEO. I have NEO in my other portfolio, and here we go. So if I go to Yahoo Finance and I type in NEO, I'm going to be looking at the charts. I just want to see where the support lines are, and so I've already kind of created this. So looking at the moving average for 30 days, it's about 1783. So I know internally I am happy selling a put, which just means that I am obligated to buy a stock at a certain price. A lot of you guys are getting the hang of this put selling stuff, but essentially it just means that I'm ready to buy the stock, and because I'm obligated to buy it, I have to I get paid for that. I basically get paid. So I'm going to be selling a put. Generally speaking, puts are bets that a stock will go down. And since I am selling a put, that means someone is trying to bet and I am trying to take the opposite side and say, hey, I don't think it's gonna fall this low. So here we go. I'm going to look at the 17. The bid-ask spread is very nice. That is what I look for. And if you guys look at this real quick, I'm going to be trading a 1-week option expiring this Friday, and it's $17, and it costs about $1,700 worth of capital. So it's about 1% in 1 week. There we go. Continue. Well, we're gonna do, you know what? I'm gonna do 3 of these bad boys. I am confident. $16. So there's $48. Review order. Okay, so that's $5,100 in collateral. Submit. Bada bing, bada boom. $48. Putting it on the bottom of the screen. We're gonna be counting exactly how much money I make on Monday morning. All right, the next stock I'm going to be doing is JP Morgan Chase. I just love the brand. I think they have a phenomenal dividend, and they have been beaten down quite a bit recently. So if you look at the stock, it has really been beaten down, and now it's really recovering. I'm super bullish and I love this stock. So let's trade some JP Morgan Chase. Here we go, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. That's all I'm doing Monday morning today, actually. I already have a ton of Tesla stock, so I don't need more stock. I'm actually kind of at the limit of what my main portfolio can hold. I have other portfolios, but this one, I don't wanna buy any more stock because it's already full of stock. So I'm just selling puts to create that income. All right, now looking at this stock, to be honest, I am just really comfortable with it. I don't think it's really gonna fall, and if it does fall, it's not gonna fall below 92, because we have some really strong support, and it has not been at that area for since July. So it's been a couple months, almost 3 months now, and the RSI is just 43, meaning that it is kind of being sold way too much. The volume for selling has been heavy, and now we have new fresh buyers, and I want to be a buyer. So in fact, I would actually buy this stock. There's nothing wrong with that, but I just feel like trading options today. So let's go for the, let's see, 94. good bid-ask spread, decent volume, very low implied volatility, which is not a good thing for options. You sometimes do want to have higher implied volatility, but that's okay because JP Morgan Chase is a safe stock. I'm about $82 here. Let's see what's going on here. About $50. That's about 0.5%. That's not too bad. I think I might actually go for both. So let's sell this guy. Here we go. One. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm just gonna take $80, not 81. Bid-ask spread is 79.82. So it's a $9,400 trade, collecting $80. Yes, I collect $80 up front, regardless of what happens. I've already collected that. So $80 more. Put that on the screen. Now we're gonna do 93. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. And I literally don't spend that much time trading because I don't believe in staring at your screen all day trading. It makes no sense. I'm going to be teaching people how to create income like what I'm doing now in just a few hours a week. I'm not a fan of sitting there all day. We have better things to do in our life, but we do want to make some money. Boom! There we go. We got JP Morgan for the second time. Second contract I just sold. Another $49 and another $9,300 bet. So I'm going to be counting up the total collateral as well. I will let you know side by side with the premium being on the left side and the collateral being on the right side. The next stock is American Airlines. I talk about this stock all of the time on Patreon. We make stupid money on Patreon from American Airlines. And basically the reason why we make stupid money is if you look at the 3-month chart, right? It's been going up and down, up and down. It's been doing nothing, which is actually phenomenal for options because I make money when stocks go up, down, or sideways. I know how to do all three scenarios. That's what I'm going to be teaching. I'm so excited. By the way, happy Monday morning. So essentially, American Airlines has been going up and down, and that's really good because I'm an options seller, so I'm creating income every time I'm selling those options. And because I'm selling puts and kind of guaranteeing myself if the stock goes down, I have to buy it. But that's fine because it never goes down too much. Whenever I get put a stock, let's say I get put American Airlines at like $12 per share, it always jumps back up. And I'll sell another put. I get put, right? And then it jumps back up and it's just going up and down. This has been the best stock to trade. Literally what I be posting on Patreon all the time. Trade American Airlines, sell, put. There we go. By the way, I want to open up a free month of October for all new Patreon members. I don't know how to do that, but I'm going to be doing it. So if you want to sign up for Patreon now, and I don't figure that out, I will always refund your money because the next month and 2 days will be free on me. I want people to check out Patreon. I want them to see how it is. So yes, go check out Patreon. And if I don't figure out how to give you guys that free promo, just send me a message in Patreon at the end of October and say, Henry, I want my free month. And I will give you that free month because I am able to do that. All right, selling puts October 2nd. This week, I'm going heavy on American Airlines because it has so much premium. And I just know internally that I like the 12s, but I'll show you why I like the 12s. So AAL, let's take a look at the chart. And boom, chart. So we have been hovering around, it is blocked. So, okay, not anymore. Now it's 1277. Is the moving day average, but that is like a very big chart. So if you look at the 3 months, it is still 1294, but that's okay. I'm being a little bit aggressive with the American Airlines because I think that it's really supported by the government. I think it's like government backed, and people are going to be flying eventually. People can't just stop flying, and basically airlines cannot go bankrupt. They can't because we need them. They're essential to our society. So basically, I'm very comfortable with American Airlines. I think they have a great brand, and people are starting to fly again. Although we do have a third wave, it's okay. I think it is going to go away eventually. I really hope it does, and I definitely want to travel myself. So I think American Airlines has a strong brand. It has really strong technicals. It has a lot of sideways action, and obviously lots of support. So 1177 was heavily supported, and it bounced back very fast. So I'm looking at about $12 per share would be very attractive in my opinion. So here we go, about to collect $17. In each of these contracts, I'm going to be putting up about $1,200 worth of capital. I'm gonna be making a $6,000 trade. I feel comfortable with about 6 grand or 7 grand. Is that 7 grand? Nope, 6 grand. I was right the first time. So yeah, we're gonna collect $80 for 6 grand. Yeah, I'm not collecting a lot of premium, but if you think about it, this is just 1 week, and this is over 1% per week, which is absolutely insane. You can get stupid rich and collect lots of income and premium. Again, check out Patreon, and this is what I'm going to be teaching. I'm so excited about this. $16, great. Submit. Let's add that to the Monday morning money. All right, the next stock that I'm going to be trading is Workhorse. Everybody likes that Workhorse. That Workhorse is sweet, waiting for that USPS contract. It has a nice market cap of a small $2.72 billion. Now, I have not been a fan of Workhorse as much as I used to be. Although the stock is really positive, I just kind of didn't want to wait so long for all that news to come in. But I do want to trade this because I'm looking at the technicals, and it's looking like the stock is very strong. And I know it's looking like this stock is strong, and I know a lot of you guys are big fans of Workhorse. So let me make a little bit of a trade here. Basically, I'm looking at Workhorse very differently from what I just did previously with American Airlines and other stocks. Essentially, I think Workhorse has a very strong momentum, and it's been bouncing off of this short-term support line. Now, I don't think this is an actual support line because Workhorse is in a very huge uptrend, and any bad news could really skyrocket it down. That being said, I don't have any bad news on my end. I think this is a great stock, and I love the mission and purpose that they have in the stock market and their company in general. So what I'm going to be doing here is I think there is some short-term support at 22, so I'm going to trade the 22. Workhorse, trade options, sell them puts. Yep, selling puts creates income. I don't buy options, I sell them for that income. 22.5 looks like it's $48. That is more than 1% in a week. That is too risky for me. Although that is a huge premium. Like, if you're interested in that, go ahead, but not really advising against doing any of this stuff. I'm just doing this for education purposes and showing you what I do. I think 22.5 personally is a little too aggressive for me. Now, looking at this is about 1%. This is amazing, right? $20.50. That is so far away from the current price. So let me sell this, continue, and 1. Oh, that's not good though. You guys see how it's a 15/25 on the bid ask? That means it's kind of wide. That's not as good. So I'll put in 0.19 if it even lets me, because it might ask me for increments of 5 cents. Yeah, options. Do you want to update your limit price to 19? Yeah, you see what they're doing? I had a feeling. No, I don't want 19. I mean, I don't want 15. I want 20 at least. So let's try. Try to get 20 bucks for this. Submit. And we'll wait. Oh, we got filled. Yes, I am lucky this Monday morning. It is a beautiful Monday, and we're about to be starting October, and October 31st is my birthday on Halloween, and the course will be out about Halloween as well. So it's a great Monday morning, and we just collected $20 more, put that on the left side, and the collateral was $2,050, about 1% for the week. So put the collateral on the right side as a total. Now you guys can see what's going on so far this Monday. All right, guys, so those were all relatively cheap trades aside from JP Morgan. And I know a lot of you guys asked, Henry, could you please do stocks that are not as expensive? And there you go, they were not as expensive. All right, guys, so that is an example of making $277 on just a little over $31,000 of capital. You can see how I am getting near 1% a week in premium, and I have some weeks where I do much better than that. I kept the trading relatively small because I know a lot of you guys are beginners, and my goal is to take someone from zero experience to intermediate in making weekly money. So be patient. I'm going to release the course end of October. So we are about to all get a dose of daily knowledge and experience from Uncle Henry. I hope this video taught you more on what I do with the options, and I'll be back with some videos very soon. I see that Virgin Galactic is exploding, so comment below what stock you want me to cover this week, and if Virgin Galactic is one of them, just give me a thumbs up and smash the like button. I took a couple days off, so I forgot what it's like to be on camera. But smash the like button for Uncle Henry, and I'll be back with another video very soon. And yeah, just help out the YouTube algorithm. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and be aggressive with learning, but be safe in investing. Give me a fist bump.